Hello and welcome everyone. So today is 16th of August 2021, a day after Independence Day. So as we can see that Nifty after breaking this resistance now has been fairly above this 16,000 mark, and so basically in our daily chart, yeah, it has consolidated way much. Now also after breaking out, it also has consolidated for approximately a week or so. Now it is again has given a breakout. We have to see whether it can sustain above this 16,590. Well, basically Nifty is seems very in a bullish trend. So we will obviously look for long opportunities in Nifty. Uh, the most impressive long opportunity is here. Here is a this area of approximately 16,000. But basically the ferocity, ferocity at which the Nifty is moving, basically due to its, I think so. mm, because of its, I think IT and metal stocks. These today metal was on a roar and it led Nifty, but basically IT and metal stocks are like dragging Nifty to the upside, and financial stocks like the bank Nifty and are lagging. So depending on the opportunity, I think so. This is a 16,000 is a good level, but I hardly think, we can never say never in the market, but still this is a good zone for taking any long entries. The second but little aggressive is this 16,370 level. It is, although it's an aggressive level, but if the Nifty sustains here, or like the Nifty goes up and then little comes down, then there is a great possibility that the prices will respect this demand zone. Although I have to say this is not a picture perfect demand zone. So, even the ugliest of the demand zones work when the trends of the Nifty is super up, super bullish. So yeah, I think so. 16,380 is a good, I can say aggressive, but still a level of demand. And the best level of demand is obviously on the 16,000 level. Yeah, but let's see what happens. The market can tank down and give us a reaction from this level, or it can just go up and up and up. Let's see. So in the Nifty Bank, Nifty Bank also, Nifty Bank is still consolidating in this range. If I just draw this red line, Nifty Bank is still consolidating in this range, and approximately, I think so. It is now, you know, accumulating some momentum to break out, because I think so. It has been staying on this upper territory for a really long time. So I think so. It is giving an indication that it is willing to break out of this range. Let's see what happens on the coming days, but this is my analysis, uh, and this is what I am seeing. And basically, yeah, the the Nifty has rallied so much, and Bank Nifty has not accompanied it through this through the whole journey. I think so. Yeah, this the only hurdle is the supply zone. It is also tested, but I think so. It will like go above, give a little reaction, and just then keep on going up, 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 up. So yeah, this is my. I think so. We you can take any option trade of bullish option trade, but shorting Bank Nifty is not a good option. Good thought, I have to say. So yeah, that was Bank Nifty. So for trading, and today I have brought some investment stocks. Although some of the in this result season, some of the stocks have posted bad results, which led to them tanking down to nearly like almost 20-30%. So we have Lupin. Lupin tanked down almost like from its high. Uh, what was it? See, 25%. It tanked down 25%, and now it's in a, I think so. Yes, good resistance like here, but I don't think so that it will respect this support. Sorry, support. Um, I think so. If it comes down, then this level of demand of 741 is a great level of demand. Really explosive candles, and yeah, base rally and amazing candle. I just wish that if Lupin breaks this support and just goes down and down and down. The second level of support is approximately here. So today, since Lupin has just breached this level of support and but failed to close below it. So we will not consider that a breaking of support, but still, I think so. If it comes near this 740, that is the best level to uh, take the entry and take the investments. If you are looking for a it can be a long-term investment of approximately like a year or so. So you can just take 50%, 50% here. You can take 50% here, and you can take 50% here. Right. So that by that you can average out the Nifty 50. Why I'm saying Nifty 50? Sorry guys. So you can average out the price approximately till like 750 or so. So you can average out till here. After that, because this is an Lupin is a good stock. Even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has invested in it long time ago, obviously. So it is a good stock, no doubt about it. In the taking into consideration the fundamentals, so I think so you can invest in it approximately after like it touches this level, and then again it breaks. If it breaks and touches this level also, then you can take another 50% of your uh, investment stocks which you are willing to invest in Lupin here. So by that you can create a great portfolio in like this, like a so okay. I won't bore you much. So this was the stock. So now we will go to Shree Cement. Shree Cement is a good stock. So it is now it is on a support, I think so. Yeah, it is on the support. And this support, there was this demand zone. It came, prices came, gave a reaction, beautiful reaction. Now again it has again came, again gave a beautiful reaction. Now it has come, and I am most probably sure that this time it will break. Okay, so if this breaks, then what is the other level of demand? It is here. It's 23,450. 23,450. So this is a drop base rally, and this is also a beautiful level of demand we can take in Shree Cement for like a month or so, a month or 2 months. So you can in Shree Cement you can invest the whole in the here for yeah, 1 month or 2 months depending on your uh, what level of risk you want and reward you want. So I'm going to take like 2:1. So this is my risk to reward ratio that I'm willing to shoot out for, because this is a support, right? So if the prices directly come here and again wants to go up, so this will also treat the price as a resistance, because previously it was support and price has successfully broken here the support and also closed today. So I think so, yeah, with a really good bearish candle. So yeah, so we can shoot for this 26,375 rupees as a target. Even you don't have to go that way. You can go little lower, like 25,978 or something like that, little below this support. So if sometimes what happen, prices come in our come in our zone, go here, but don't don't give us from here. Yeah, and just don't touch the target we were setting, and just then again go down. So we won't and hit our stop loss. So we don't want that. So we'll just keep it little below our support. So if the price can hit our target, and we can and give us the profit. The second is it's a, I think so, like a day or two. This stock is again, I think so, Lupin. Uh, sorry, it's not Lupin, it's Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma has been, I think so, it has posted results is 6% negative. So now Aurobindo Pharma is like falling like, rocket. So when you see on the weekly time frame chart, you will see this supply zone. Okay, and you can see in the daily chart, I literally can't see anything except this demand zone, daily demand zone. Obviously, there is a weekly demand zone, but it is really shabby. The leg out, the outside going candles are not that great. So I'm not going to go with these candles. I will like to go with this demand zone, rally base rally. So yeah, it is like approximately 580, entry of 580. You can buy at 580. Stop loss around 450. 450 is a good stop loss, and we can shoot for 2:1. 2:1 in the, let's see. So 250, yeah. And if we want to go to 2:1, 804 rupees. And you can see there is a support. Now it is broken, so it is like a resistance. So still we can shoot for this. Since the supply zone is here, we can definitely shoot for 2:1 at this zone. So all these are my positional trades that I am willing to take, and for an investment of approximately ranging from 1 month to 6 months or a year, depending on when my target gets hit. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more of these awesome videos and analysis. Thank you very much.